Hi everybody! Have you ever wondered what's inside a continuous glucose monitor? Well, actually I have, and if you have things like a Libre 2 or you have a Dexcom G7 or a Libre 3, you wonder what would happen if I open it and I look inside. What sort of electronics are actually in there? How does it all work? Well, if you're interested in that, I made two videos. In this video, I talk about like the actual opening up and looking inside. And in my other video, I made an animation of how actually the interstitial fluid glucose is being measured by the sensor and how they insert the flexible filament that's underneath a CGM. Like here you have this little wire. So you wonder, how does that actually get into your skin? How do they do it? Well, if you want to see that, watch my other video with the animations. That's also on this channel. At the end of this video, I have a link to that.